Hi children, I am your class teacher of class 4B2. My name is Niana Silvi. I am going to handle English and Maths subject. And Science and Social 4B1 Miss will be handling. How are you children? I hope you are all fine. Don't go outside. Be safe at home itself. Okay children, we'll go into the lesson. Black Beauty. Today I am going to take English subject. First lesson, Black Beauty. Black Beauty. Black Beauty is written by the author Anna Sewell. Can you see this picture? She is Anna Sewell. She was born on 30th March 1820 and died on 25th April 1878. She was an English novelist. She is well known as the author of Black Beauty, which is now considered one of the top 10 best-selling novels for children ever written. Okay, we'll now go into the lesson. Black Beauty. Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse who lived on an English farm. English farm, that owner name is Farmer Gray. Tale means a story. Black Beauty is the story of a handsome horse who lived on an English farm. He began his life as a carefree colt. Carefree means what? With no problems or worries. Colt means a young male horse under the age of 4. And the carefree colt name is Darky. Can you see this colt? Its name is Darky. As soon as Darky was old enough to eat grass, his mother would go out to work in the daytime. So when the Darky's mother goes out for work, she always gives advice to Darky. Be good while I go to work for Farmer Gray. So like that, Darky once, after our mother goes for work, she used to play with the other 6 calves on the farm. Sometimes the calves would gallop. Gallop means what? Quick movement in leaps and bounds. So what it will do? It will run fast, they will jump and they will kick and bite each other. So mother always taught him to work hard and to be kind. You have been well bred and well born. Your father is well known. Your grandfather won the cup at the Newmarket races twice. Your grandmother is gentle and kind. Learn from them all. You must do your work well and never bite or kick. She always gives advice. Darky's mother always gives advice. See your grandfather, how he has won the cup. See your grandmother, she is very gentle and kind. So learn them from them, so that you have to work well and you should not never bite or kick. So one day the owner of the Farmer Gray was a very good man. He used to look and take care of them well. So the Farmer Gray is asking, pet, how is your little Darky? Like that he is asking to Darky's mother. But sometimes the Dick, the plough boy, Dick, a small boy, he was working in the Farmer Gray's farm. He used to hide in the hedges. Hedges means what? Is a row of bushes or small trees. He used to throw stones and twigs, small sticks and stones at the horses. So as soon as, can you see this Dick? He is throwing stones on the colts. So as soon as he throws the stones, what they will do? They will jump. They will be galloping and they will be running. So it made fun of him and he used to laugh at them and he will be very happy by seeing it. So one day Farmer Gray was noticing who is doing like that. Like that he was noticing, and one day he found out that Dick was throwing stones. So what he did? Oh, Dick is doing the cruel game. So what he did? He caught Dick by the arm and scolded him. And he warned them, this is the last time. If you trouble my horses, leave my farm at once. When Darky was 4 years old, Squire Gordon came to look at him. He wished to have Darky as his horse. He examined Darky's eyes, his mouth, and his legs. Most for animals and all, if the animal is very healthy, means they will examine their eyes, their mouth, and legs only. So, for Squire Gordon liked Darky. So, what he said, I want Darky to my farm, but only one thing you have to do, you have to broken in. He will do very well. Broken in means trained to carry a rider. Trained to carry a rider. So Farmer Gray said okay, and what he did, after few days later, Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm for a while for his training. So this farm had a railway track running along one side. So he went to that farm and he told that owner, he said, Darky is a good horse. I want him to get used to being in other places and around other animals, because it was living with only the horses. So he said he want to live with other animals. So Darky, what he did, he started to grass in the meadow along with the sheep and cows. And when suddenly the train comes, what it will do, it will be, he thought that Darky thought it's a frightful creature and he started to run, but later on it was used to it. But sometime later, Darky got used to this creature means the train. He realized that the train never entered the field or harmed anyone. So Darky became normal. When train arrives also, Darky became very normal and it said nothing to be frightened. Then one day, Farmer Gray returned to take Darky back to his farm. So Darky is now he is asking. He came to the farm where he left Darky, and he is telling Darky is not startled by the train anymore. Startled means what? Frightened. He can take the carriage to the railway station. It will calm him in marketplaces and in crowds. So Farmer Gray was very happy. Because Darky learned to carry the carriage to the railway station. It was very calm in the marketplaces and in the crowds. And that owner was telling, now all you need to do is to break him in. Back to his farm, Farmer Gray went on to break Darky to harness. Harness means what? A set of leather straps that is put around a horse's neck and body so that it can pull something. See, can you see this one? The strap, and see the seat. This is called saddle. Saddle means seat, because someone can sit on that one. So this one only harness. So Farmer Gray was training him to put this so that it will be very easy to carry the person on its back. So soon Darky learned how to carry a person on his back. Then he learned how to trot. Trot means what? Move faster than walking. Move faster than walking. Or a chase. Chase means what? An open two-wheeled light carriage. Can you see this one? This is called open two-wheel light carriage. Farmer Gray is sitting here and Darky is pulling him. Chase attached to him. See, now the Farmer Gray is telling, you must move exactly as the driver wishes. See, when we have to go right side means when the driver is telling, the Darky should obey and it should go to the right side. So Farmer Gray is teaching him, you have to go move exactly as the driver wishes. Remember to never get startled. Never get startled means what? Never get frightened or to kick or neigh. So after all practicing this, a few months later, Squire Gordon took Darky to his estate. So there he began his new life and made many new friends. So he went from Farmer Gray's farm, from English farm to Squire Gordon farm, and there he was living with new friends and new animals. Okay children, let's read once again, read the lesson. All of you listen. Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse who lived on an English farm. He began his life as a carefree colt called Darky. As soon as Darky was old enough to eat grass, his mother would go out to work in the daytime. Darky played with the other 6 colts on the farm. Sometimes the colts would gallop fast or kick and bite each other, but his mother always taught him to work hard and be kind. Their master, Farmer Grey, was a good man who looked after them well, but sometimes Dick, the ploughboy, would hide in the hedges and throw stones and twigs at the horses. One day, Farmer Grey happened to notice Dick's cruel game. He caught Dick by the arm and scolded him. When Darky was 4 years old, Squire Gordon came to look at him. He wished to have Darky as his horse. He examined Darky's eyes, his mouth, and his legs. A few days later, Farmer Grey sent Darky to another farmer for a while for his training. This farm had a railway track running along one side. Darky grazed in the meadow along with the sheep and cows when suddenly. But some time later, Darky got used to this creature. He realized that the train never entered the field or harmed anyone. Then one day, Farmer Grey returned to take Darky back to his farm. Back at his farm, Farmer Grey went on to break Darky to harness. Soon, Darky learned how to carry a person on his back. Then he learned how to trot with a cart or a chaise attached to him. A few months later, Squire Gordon took Darky to his estate. There he began his new life and made many new friends. Okay, children, now let's learn the synonyms. Synonyms means meanings. Synonyms means meanings. Let's learn what we have learned in the lesson. Synonyms: tale, a story; carefree, with no problems or worries; colt, a young male horse under the age of 4; gallop, quick movement in leaps and bounds; hedges is a row of bushes or small trees; broken in, trained to carry a rider; startled, frightened; trot, move faster than walking. Okay, children, let's learn some antonyms. Antonyms means what? Opposites. Antonyms means opposites. These are some words which I have taken from the lesson Black Beauty. Old means opposite what? Young. Old means young. Good, bad, kind, cruel, through, catch, come, go. Once again I'll read. Old, young. Young spelling Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Good. Good means bad. Bad spelling B-A-D. Bad. Kind. Opposite cruel. Cruel spelling C-R-U-E-L. Cruel. Through. Catch. Catch spelling C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Come. Go. Go spelling G-O. Go. Okay, children, if you can, what you can do, you can read this lesson and you can find the hard words and you can learn the hard words like handsome. Handsome spelling what? HANDSOME, handsome. And then you can learn darky. Darky spelling DARKIE, darky. Enough, ENOUGH, enough. And then calls. Calls spelling what? COLTS, calls. Gallop, GALLOP, gallop. And then here taught, TAUGHT, taught. See, in this page itself we have learned handsome, darky, enough, calls, gallop, taught. Yes, master spelling MASTER, master. And then hedges, HEDGES, hedges. And then happened, HAPPENED, happened. Scolded, SCOLDED, scolded. Master, hedges, happened, scolded. Here examined. Examined spelling EXAMINED, examined. Farmer. Farmer spelling FARMER, farmer. FARMER, farmer. Track, TRACK, track. Grazed, GRAZED, grazed. Meadow, MEADOW, meadow. Suddenly, SUDDENLY, suddenly. So in this page we have learned examined, farmer, track, grazed, meadow, suddenly. Okay, here we can learn some creature. Say the spelling creature, CREATURE, creature. And then field. Field spelling FIELD, field. Then harness, HARNESS, harness. And then trot, TROT, trot. Chase, CHAISE, chase. So here we learn some of the spelling hard words, so that you can learn at home. When you are free, you learn this spelling words, that synonyms, antonyms, so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next session.